Wheeler before Everton join their opponents around the centre circle. Wheeler was there for Everton. Gino again.
Limits the space in behind, which is clearly what Everton are looking for on the break into pain.
Oh, lovely ball infield from Bene. Great chance for the opening goal, and it has been taken. Viviana Miedema for Manchester City, and they lead 1-0.
Great bit of play for Manchester City. Obviously finding Viviana Miedema in the Everton back line, just switching off right at the vital moment. And they'll be disappointed because they've managed to find that space in behind Manchester City. We see here Bene just picks up the ball, catches Ruby Mace off guard, and it's Viviana Miedema. She does work so well just to slot it past Emily Ramsey. I think they were originally claiming for offside, but it's not offside. She uses her body really well, Miedema, and makes no mistake to make Manchester City up 1-0. Really clever pass from Bene, though, just to split the Everton back line. Fantastic ball from here, Manchester City, but I feel like Everton will be wanting to get a little bit more pressure on the ball.
On from Mace, in behind, Tony Payne. Payne bearing down on goal, Gago in the middle towards her, lovely little back heel. Super goal from Everton, Kelly Gago with the equaliser.
She's got that long, direct ball. Payne is onside. She doesn't slip this time. She sees the run of Kelly Gago. She does so well, eyes up, puts the ball in the box, and it's a lovely little back heel from Kelly Gago, adding to her goal-scoring tally. What Everton are trying to do today.
1-1. Manchester City have dominated the first 10 minutes or so of this game in terms of possession. Necessarily a prediction. Bene. Field from Pacheco, dispossessed though. Hasegawa. Miedema. Looking for Shaw. Shaw does pick up.
Quite confident when they are coming back, and they can be a team to obviously creep up the table.
Miedema for Gino. Chase on here for Wahabi. And she gets there first. In towards Shaw, 2-1. Bunny Shaw puts Manchester City back in front. It's her 5th goal in the WSL this season, and it means it's Everton 1, Manchester City 2.
Enter the goal, and this time she gets a header on target, direct, beats Ramsey. The pace behind the header is fantastic. Something we've seen her do time and time again. She's so dangerous in those areas.
Pacheco not requiring treatment this season for Manchester City. Driven deep. Shaw trying to get underneath it and gathered by Ramsey. High ball into the middle. Hongard with a little header down. Approaching the midway point then of the second half. 4 in the black of Manchester City. Wheeler. That piece of play was almost like that shot was delivered in slow motion. Gino. Hasegawa just in field. Shaw finds Hasegawa. Header away only as far as Shaw.
There might be more opportunities for them.
Picked up by Hasegawa. Hemp looking for the return. Doesn't quite get it though from Hasegawa. Hasegawa behind this free kick. This is Hasegawa. Hemp. Table for Everton. defeat, but plenty of encouraging signs.
Yeah, definitely. Obviously,